Are you struggling hard to lose some pounds, but that scale won't budge? Don't raise the white flag and give up your hope. Check out these habits that can secretly messing with your weight loss goal. Here, we will discuss about 6 habits that may stop you from losing weight. And all these are related to the kind of lifestyle that you lead. If you can change these habits, you can start losing fat automatically. Wanna know what are those? Subscribe and stay with us. 6 habits that stop you from losing weight. 1. Sedentary lifestyle. Sedentary lifestyle is a very busy schedule where you are tied down to work. If you are leading this lifestyle, you are bound to end up having fat. A body that does not get enough of exercise cannot burn the extra calories. This extra fat settles around the body and gradually increases. 2. Lacking of sleep. If you are not having enough sleep, then you are also attracting fat. Lacking of sleep increases your level of cortisol, that makes you crave for sugary food, which eventually put extra fat on your body. 3. Carbonated drinks. All carbonated drinks are stuffed with sugar. The more you consume, the more you gain fat. 4. Late night dinner. Food needs time to digest. If you sleep just after taking your dinner, this will settle down comfortably around your midsection, and give you the annoying belly fat. 5. Lack of protein. An adult person requires a minimum of 20-25 grams of protein in each meal. It helps balance blood sugar, reduces insulin level, and boosts the body's metabolic rate. Lack of protein loses this balance and accumulates fat in the body. 6. Skipping meals. If you think that skipping meals will help you lose weight, then you are highly mistaken. When you skip your first meal of the day, you're likely to get hungrier later, so you may overdo it at lunch. Instead of skipping breakfast, take a high-fiber protein-packed breakfast that can help you feel full longer. So, these are the 6 reasons you are not losing weight. Weight loss is not easy, you have to be more careful and love yourself more than anything else. So, find out what's hindering your weight loss, and start from now. Thanks for watching.